Hey guys, I'm Chapel, and today, I am gonna be.
A biker.
Actually, I don't actually know what I am gonna do today, but I do know that I am gonna go and ride bike with my little
Brother.
and my little
Sister.
because I want to. Today, we upgraded my bike. Today, we upgraded the mud guard, the brake, the gear shifter, and that's pretty much it. Gab, what is your bike?
BMX.
Good talk. Jam, what is your bike?
Spot.
Good talk. My bike is a mini mountain bike. It's not mini, it's just mini mountain bike. Just this is the mountain bike. My mini mountain bike is like this. Okay, thanks. But next year I think I am gonna have a big mountain bike. Like
A biker's bike.
like a biker's bike. Yeah. Epic montage time. It's actually not an epic montage. It's just me doing random things. This is not my bike. This is my mom's bike, which is an adult mountain bike. Mine is a mini mountain bike. You heard me say that earlier today. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my mom's mountain bike
Woo!
because she's not using it today. But later on, when we are gonna go outside the subdivision, she's gonna use this, and I'm gonna ride my own bike, and we're gonna go to our old house. Hey guys, it's me, Future Chapel, and as you can notice, I have a new haircut, and I'm just gonna inform you that we didn't go to our old house. We went to our old house, but we're not actually there because there's a lot of mud and we cannot handle it. So we went back and just did an epic montage. Oh, spoiler alert. Okay, back to you, past chapels.
Yeah.
So we didn't switch bikes because I love mom's bike, and yeah, we didn't switch bikes. So yeah, epic montage right now. So lit, bro. I was biking and I saw this dog. No barks at all. Visit me again, Trapode. And as you can see in the time card, it is the next day. It's actually 7:30 a.m. right now. I'm about to go bike again. I'm doing this because I don't have a vlog. So I combined 2 days in the vlog. That's new. I am kind of tired right now. I just woke up, so that's that. I am preparing my shoes for the ride today. But first, wait a minute. But first, I'm gonna tell you about something. As you can probably notice, if you didn't notice that, I changed two of my videos thumbnails. This one and this one. They're really cool. They're awesome. The ones who made it is not me. I didn't make those thumbnail. I have one fan that made it for me. His name is Ninja GFX. His channel link is in the description down below. You can check him out. Pretty cool stuffs. Thank you for making these. He also made me a new profile picture for my YouTube, and I'm not gonna change my profile today. I'm gonna change it when I'm gonna turn 13. It's a pretty big deal, right? Again, thank you Ninja GFX for making those two thumbnails for me, those two cool thumbnails for me. Thank you. I'm gonna ride a bike now. Epic montage right now. So good to ride a bike when there is no other people, when you are just alone biking, going out of their homes. But it's really cool. Remember that specific spot right there? That's where we filmed The Flash. Okay, so we just finished eating our brunch, and we are at the restroom of the McDonald's. And this is where I'm gonna wrap my vlog today. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this, even though I cannot make this vlog I just made the vlog. Okay, just don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Ciao out.